In today's video, I'm going over two things. The first, why I decided to create a portfolio within my website. And then two, the plans I have for the future in keeping this website updated with a lot of my work. First things first, I've been making content for over 10 years, which is absolutely crazy to say. And over those years, I've been able to grow both my professional brand, but also my personal brand. You see a lot of my personal brand across all of my socials and all of those things, but what you don't see a lot of times is my professional work. My personal brand has become my passion project over the last couple of years. It became a place where I could really control all of the creativity that goes into that content. And then from there, I can control the mediums of that and where it gets posted, when it gets posted, and ultimately just talk about the things that I'm passionate about. And while doing that, it also became a place of practice and being able to practice the art of filmmaking. And that's what made up my 5 to 9. I have made so much content over the years working in my day job, with that being video and sports. Over the years, I've been able to make some stuff that I'm very proud of. And I think a lot of that content stretches a lot of my skills and a lot of my knowledge a lot further than my personal channel and personal brand shows sometimes. And I thought it was a time that I put all of that content, everything I'm working on, in one place. I'm obsessed with the process, the creativity, the technical skills that goes into the art of filmmaking. And I get to do that in my 9 to 5 every day, but I also get to do it in my 5 to 9. And josephlipsenproductions.com, that's the place where you can see all of it. Something that came to mind when I was building my website was control over presentation. This is something that gets lost with social media nowadays. The instant gratification of a post. I could spend weeks, months, multiple months on a video that has a relevancy of 24 hours on social media. And that's the cycle of social media. That is how social media works. That is how social media was planned to work. But what I can control is letting a lot of these pieces live on. Live in a space that I can still show a lot of my experiences and hard work that I've ultimately thrown literally my blood, sweat, and tears into. This website is what represents me as a filmmaker, a content creator, a creative, whatever you want to call me. This website that represents all of these different mediums of film, well, it represents all of the opportunities I've had and all the stories I've been given the opportunity to tell. And a lot of these I've been either a big part in or such a small part, but I've been able to be a part of it. And for me, that's an opportunity. Plus, there's the personal side of it all. What started all of this. I will have all of my YouTube videos living here and keep the website up to date with those. But I will also have my online store available here, and that link is gonna be in my bio. I will offer my wallpapers, my LUT packs, my Lightroom packs, and my ultimate favorite, my Davinci Resolve Color No Tree. I use this thing on absolutely every one of my videos. Every single clip, I use it. So go download the No Tree for free or anything else, and I'll have those linked in the bio. Next thing is simple, and that is keeping this site updated. I have worked on a lot of stuff over the years, and I'm finally ready to have it all live in one spot. And it's not stopping here. I've been a part of a lot of things I've been very proud of in the last 6 months that will eventually be referenced on this website. And a lot of the stuff that will be popping up on this channel, I got to play the director on. And for me, that's something that is a ultimate goal of mine and something I've been able to practice throughout the 6 months that I'll be able to show as part of my portfolio. And a lot of the stuff over the past 6 months, I've been able to play the director-producer role. And that is something that is an ultimate goal of mine. So for me, it's been great practice, and I'm excited that it's gonna live somewhere as a portfolio piece from now on. So with that, check out my website. It's gonna be linked down below, josephlipsenproductions.com. I encourage every creative, professional or personal, to create a portfolio. Have something to show for your hard work and long hours. And it's just nice to have. It's nice to go back and see the growth you've had as a creator, no matter where it is or where the stuff is going or what the stuff has been. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below with your portfolio because it inspires me and I want to check out other people's work. But with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.